Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word femme. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She exuded a sense of confidence and style, truly embodying the essence of a femme fatale. Femme is a term that refers to a woman or femme-presenting person who embraces stereotypical feminine qualities, typically in the LGBTQ+ community. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.